counterclockwise corkscrew. Plane shift it up, bring it up into pinwheel. Turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, do a right turn 360 in the weave, and then a left turn 360 in the weave, and then a right turn 360 in the weave, and then a left turn 360 in the weave. Open it up, stall the right poi between your legs, turn left, overhand butterfly, turn left, and now we're going to go into the flower. So 4-petal in spin, left goes front, right goes back, and go around and down, sides, up, sides, down, third time sides, up, sides, down, last time sides, up, sides, down, anti-spin for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Bring it down, right butterfly, turn around, go all the way around 360, then go 180 more, so you end up on the right hand side, and we'll go into the 4-petal in spin, left goes back, right goes front, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, reversal, anti-spin for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back down, flip the right point in, turn left 360, come all the way around and end on the left side, and then we'll do flowers for 2. So left goes front, right goes back, and up, sides, down, second one, sides, up, side, down, anti-spin for 2 and 1, reverse again, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, reverse for 2 and 1, bring it back down, right turn 360, come all the way around, then go another 180, end up on the right hand side, and 2 times around the 4-pound flower, sides and up and sides, down, sides and up and sides, down, reverse, anti-spin for 2 and 1, reverse to in-spin, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, reverse to anti-spin, second time, come back down, turn left in the butterfly, turn around, come all the way around, come around to the left side, and then we'll keep doing reversals here. So we'll do 4 of each one. Left goes front, we'll do the in-spin first, so sides, up, sides, reversal to anti-spin, reverse to in-spin, up, sides, down, reverse to anti-spin, third reverse to in-spin, and up, and sides, and down, reverse to anti-spin, and last time, reverse to in-spin, and up, and sides, and down, and then reverse to anti-spin, bring it back down, come to the front, butterfly, turn around, all the way around, keep going, end up on the right-hand side, and we'll do the same thing, and left, back, right, front, sides, up, sides, down, reverse to anti-spin, second time, sides, up, sides, down, reverse, and reverse again, sides, up, sides, down, reverse, and then last reverse, sides, up, sides, down, turn to the front, you're in overhand butterfly, and butterfly, thread the needle, plane shift it up, bring it up over your head, take your right poi, bring it down, tap it on your butt, turn left, spinning, 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 come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, come up into the pinwheel, make it together time, then chase the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 under the right leg, and 4 and 3 and 2 and under the right leg, and now we'll do it in 2. So 1 and then under the right leg, and 1 chase the sun, and under the right leg, and then 1 chase the sun, and under the right leg, and then 1 chase the sun, now under the right leg, and then as you come out, come up over the top, shorten the poi, make it into the buzzsaw, bring it back behind your butt, behind your butt, behind your butt, and kick, bring it out, plane shift it down onto your right arm, counterclockwise corkscrew, and open it up, turning to the left with it, come around to your front, come back together, open it up, come back together, open it up, come back together, open it up, come back together, release to full length, And together time, come down, tap, up, over, down, and tap on the right. Up and over, down, and tap on the left. Up and over, down, and tap on the right. Now up and turn, coming to the left, down, and tap. Up to the right, turn, down, tap. Up to the left, turn, down, tap. Up to the right, turn, down, tap. Now we're going to add the jump. Up, turn, jump, down, tap, and up, and turn, and jump, and tap, and up, and turn, and jump, and tap, and up, and turn, and jump, and tap. Counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shifted up, come up into your pinwheel, down into overhand weave on the left, left turn 360 in the butterfly turnaround, right turn 360 in the butterfly turnaround, I'm sorry, I'm saying butterfly weave turnaround, left turn 360 in the weave turnaround, right turn 360 in the weave turnaround, left turn 360 in the weave turnaround, right turn 360 in the weave turnaround, and now open it up, together time, cap for 4, 3, and 2, and 1, right turn 360, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, left turn 360, and 4, 3, 2,